Unbelievable.
Sorry to bother you.
Well, what's this about?
I can't speak to you after you're not around.
Well, then I think you should just get out of here.
Okay. You know when Ryan will be back?
I don't know anything. I can't talk to you.
That works. Thanks, sir.
Yeah. Who these people are, man? Looks like Kentucky license plates. I don't like the way they knocked the door, and then they wouldn't, well, we can't say nothing to you. 941 KVS or KYS. 3 guys. Pounding on the fucking door. Pounding on the fucking door.